How to fix iPhone black screen or spinning wheel. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. This is Atticus from Create Login and Delete. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone black screen or spinning wheel. Now, if your iPhone gets stuck on your black screen or spinning wheel, this is how you fix it. All you need to do is force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to force restart, and according to the Apple's official site, to force restart your iPhone, you need to first press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, release the side button. After you do that, your iPhone will restart, and after it restarts, it should fix your black screen problem and also the spinning wheel problem. So that is pretty much it, guys. It's a really simple fix. If you like the video, don't forget to go down below and like the video, and if you have any questions, don't forget to comment, and if you are new to our channel, just hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.